You, Charu ma'am. Moving ahead, as we have gathered here in this live streaming, we all take pride to inaugurate the official YouTube channel of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Manav Rachna University, Faridabad. With our very first guest speaker, he is none other than Professor Rohit Sharma. Professor Sharma is working as an adjunct professor in the California Science and Technology University, Milpitas, California. Professor Sharma has been working in the field of embedded AI and integrated machine learning to make devices smart and have created many projects. He is the founder of the AI Tech Systems, Milpitas, California. He has authored a book called Introduction to TinyML, which encapsulates all the technicalities related to embedded ML and have documented various projects for smart home, smart farming, smart industry, smart science, smart health, smart computer vision for intrusion detection, and etc. Professor Sharma, I would like to start off today's discussion by asking you, how are you today?